mga message from your dreams, no? Kung makikita mo rito, may mga stars, no? Something like that, no? Maybe, literally, no? Sa mga dreams nyo, there are messages, no? For some of you. Baka kung natatandaan niyo yung mga dreams nyo, pwede nyo yung isulat. And then, pagduktong-duktongin nyo yung mga dreams. Maybe there is a message, no? Na kailangan yung malaman, no? Or for some of you naman, sinasabi rito is keep on dreaming, no? Nothing is impossible, right? No? Basta determine tayo to work for that dreams, right? No? So yeah, keep dreaming lang, no? And work hard for your dreams, no? Something like that. Huwag din laging tulog ng tulog, literally, no? Right? No? So yeah, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this one, no? And last is, anong message sa inyo ni universe, no? From God, no? So tignan natin, fire signs. So yeah, kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards again para sa message sa inyo or advice ni universe, no? Fire signs. So let's see what's your messages, no? So you have this, the journey. So yeah, for some of you, no, fire signs, sinasabi sa inyo ang message sa inyo ni universe is, your journey is, maybe is starting right now, no? Your journey is now starting, no? Or for some of you, whatever journey you are going, no, is, kumaga, be ready na, no? Be ready with that journey, no? Kasi you are ready na eh, kung makikita mo rito, no? So, you are ready, whatever it is, no? Parang wala na kayo, hindi kayo natatakot, ano man itong journey na to. So, yeah, parang nire-remind kayo ni universe na your journey is starting, no? Is soon will be starting na, kumaga. For some of you, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, fire signs, no? Whatever it is, no? Pwedeng journey nyo to reach your goals, your dreams, no? Something like that, no? Journey nyo to be in a happy relationship, maybe, for some of you. New life journey nyo, mag-aasawa na kayo, pwede rin ganon, no? So, kumaga, you are ready na, no? To take that journey, no? So, yeah. And then, the other card is hidden in plain sight. So, yeah, for some of you, no, fire signs, no, winawarningan kayo dito ni universe, no, there is someone around you na